Hi everybody, HJ Diagnostics here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're at this 09 Hyundai i30. Customer complaint is slow in starting when it's cold. We're just going to demonstrate now. We've removed camshaft sensor just to demonstrate what we heard when we were cranking it. If you listen there, you should be able to know where we're going with this one. So this one sounds like it's got a miss. So we quickly grabbed the scope and we just did a relative compression check. The amp clamp is set to 2000 range onto the battery positive, and we set on the Pico 7 software, and you can clearly see that we have a lack of compression. So our next step now is to verify what cylinders, get a firing order and see what cylinders are down in compression. We'll do a gauge check, we'll do a cylinder leak off test possibly. We just have to verify that the customer wants to go any further with this, because this actually had a gasket done a year and a half ago, and ever since that the problem has occurred. So it possibly could be a timing issue, not timed correctly. We won't know that until we get to go ahead basically from the customer to go any further. But yeah, a quick and easy test with a scope and an amp clamp just to verify that indeed we have a compression issue. Well, to give us the guidance anyway. So we will have a next video now on this, and we will show you where we're going. So it's possibly a timing issue. We won't know until it's actually have it checked and got permission from the customer to go any further with this. Yeah, it's a very strange one. Why they didn't go back to the garage after they got the car back and leave it this long, like a year and a half later, doesn't really make much sense. So that's basically it really. So we will talk to you on the next video. Hopefully we'll do another video on this, that we do get the permission of the customer that they don't want to go back to the garage now, but we don't know. We won't know till the phone call is made by us and they decide. Thanks for watching.